CBS News legal analyst Rikki Klieman prosecuted sex crimes and also defended suspects accused of sexual harassment and assault. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, the next big question, could he face a criminal investigation?
Well, we have to look at where we are. Many of these allegations are sexual harassment. That is a request to do something, not an actual action. Those are not criminal. We also have to remember, if a prosecutor or a woman is going to get involved in a criminal case, that Harvey Weinstein is presumed innocent. And we can't forget that when we have this discussion. We haven't heard of a prosecutor yet who is saying, I'm going to go forward with a criminal case. Could one do that? Yes, but there are hurdles here. Number one, is it within the statute of limitations, meaning the time limit? You just heard a story that happened 10 years ago, not within the statute of limitations. It would have to be much more recent. By the way, a lot of states, since the Bill Cosby episodes, have done away with statutes of limitations, but not for crimes that occurred before. So then you have yet another hurdle. Does the woman want to go forward? Many of these women would not want to go forward with a criminal case. And so how does the prosecutor, if a woman signed a confidentiality agreement, get her in at all?
Yeah, right.
He must use, or she must use, the subpoena power of a grand jury. If there's a confidentiality agreement, that woman cannot talk.
Mm-hmm. And you say a subpoena would override a confidentiality agreement?
Yes, it's the only way, and we know that from the Bill Cosby case. A woman cannot tell her friends, cannot tell the newspaper, cannot tell television, cannot tell the police once she has signed. Mm-hmm. We also don't know if any or many of these women have gone to the police before they may have signed any confidentiality agreement. That's like Andrea Constant with Cosby. That's a different story.
Do we know whether the board of directors had any oversight in terms of funds paid to settle?
Well, isn't that the big question? The company would certainly have to face some civil liability if, in fact, they knew something, and we have to know when they knew it. If the company knew nothing, if Harvey Weinstein paid this out of his own pocket, then we have a different story. But if I'm the company, I'm looking for a complete review.
And we do know the company has hired an independent investigative team to, quote, learn the full truth, eager to find those findings out. Rikki Klieman, thanks for your time.